Hi children, welcome back to Maths class. In the previous class, we learned the addition of 3-digit numbers with 1-digit number. Today we are going to learn the addition of 3-digit numbers with 2-digit numbers without carryover. Let's add 335 and 22. First we arrange the numbers according to the place value. 335, we know 300, 3 tens and 5 ones. Plus, similarly, 22 is 2 tens and 2 ones. Let's add. First add the digits at ones place. 5 plus 2, 7. Let's add numbers at tens place. 3 plus 2, 5. Finally, add the numbers at hundreds place. 3 plus 0, 3. Thus, 335 plus 22 is equal to 357. Let's take another example. Add 518 and 41. First, we arrange numbers in proper column. 518. We know 5 is in hundreds place and 1 is in tens place and 8 is in ones place. Plus 41. 4 is in tens column and 1 is in ones column. Let's add. First we add the digits in ones place. 8 plus 1, 9. Next, add the numbers at tens place. 1 plus 4, 5. Next, add the numbers at hundreds place. 5 plus 0, 5. Thus, 518 plus 41 is equal to 559. Let's go to your textbook exercise. Add 120. 100 plus 20. First, add the numbers at ones place. 0 plus 0, 0. Next, 0 plus 2, 2. Next, 1 plus 0, 1. Thus, 100 plus 20 is equal to 120. Next, 304 plus 21. First, add the numbers at ones place. 4 plus 1, 5. Next, add the numbers at tens place. 0 plus 2, 2. Finally, add the numbers at hundreds place. 3 plus 0, 3. Thus, 304 plus 21 is equal to 325. Next, 304 plus 25. 4 plus 5, 9. Next, 0 plus 2, 2. Next, 3 plus 0, 3. Thus, 304 plus 25 is equal to 329. Next, we can discuss the addition of 3-digit numbers with 2-digit numbers with carryover. Let's add 635 and 56. First, we arrange the numbers according to the place value. 635. It has 600 and 3 tens and 5 ones. Plus, then 56. 56 has 5 tens and 6 ones. So, write 6 in ones place and 5 tens in tens column. Let's add the numbers in ones column first. 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 is 2-digit number. We know it has 1 10 and 1 ones. So, we write 1 in ones place and 1 10 carry forward to tens column. Let's add the numbers at tens column. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. Let's add the number at hundreds column. 6 plus 0, 6. Thus, 635 plus 56 is equal to 691. Let's take another example. Add 726 and 19. Write the numbers in proper column. 700, 2 tens and 6 ones. Plus 19. Write ones below the ones and tens below the tens. Let's add the numbers in ones place first. 6 plus 9. 6 plus 9. 15. 15 is a 2-digit number. So, it has 1 10 and 5 ones. So, we write 5 ones in ones column and 1 10 carry forward to tens column. Let's add the numbers in tens column. 1 plus 2, 3. Plus 1, 4. Next, add the number in hundreds place. 7 plus 0, 7. So, 726 plus 19 is equal to 745. Next, we can discuss the addition of 3-digit numbers with 3-digit numbers without carryover. Let's add 223 and 313. First, arrange the numbers according to their place value. 200, 2 tens and 3 ones plus 313. It has 300, 1 10 and 3 ones. Let's add the numbers at ones place first. 3 plus 3, 6. Next, 2 plus 1, 3. Finally, add the numbers at 100 place. 2 plus 3, 5. Thus, 223 plus 313 is equal to 536. Let's go to your textbook exercise. Add 220 plus 162. First add the numbers at ones column. 0 plus 2, 2. Then add the tens column. 2 plus 6, 8. Finally, add the hundreds column. 2 plus 1, 3. Thus, 220 plus 162 is equal to 382. Next, 245 plus 122. First add ones column. 5 plus 2, 7. Next, add tens column. 4 plus 2, 6. Finally, add the hundreds column. 2 plus 1, 3. So, 245 plus 122 is equal to 367. Next, 325 plus 243. First add ones column. 5 plus 3, 8. Then add the tens column. 2 plus 4, 6. 2 plus 4, 6. Next, 3 plus 2, 5. Thus, 325 plus 243 is equal to 568. Now you have some homeworks. Textbook page number 114, D to F, and page number 116, A to E, and page number 117, D, E, F. All these are do as your homeworks in your textbook and your notebook also, and send to school WhatsApp. Okay. Today's class ends here. Thank you.
In this lesson, we're going to be adding 3-digit numbers without carrying. This topic is part of the area of maths called operations and addition, and it's suitable for children who are 8 years and older. Here's a quick look at what we're going to be doing. Okay, so before we start, make sure you have these things. You're going to need some Dean's blocks. So you're going to need a few hundreds, a few tens, and a few ones. You're going to need a pencil and a razor, and you're also going to need some maths paper to write your sums. Okay, so let's do our first example. I would first of all like you to take out your maths paper and write this sum down. So we're going to write HTO for hundreds, tens and ones, and we're going to write 252 plus 136. Press pause, and when you've got that done, you can unpause the video. So we're going to take this sum that we've written down and we're going to make it with Dean's blocks too. So we've got our hundreds, tens and ones, our 252 plus 136. And we have to make sure we put our line underneath it. And we're going to have our hundreds, tens and ones. And I want you to make this sum using your Dean's blocks beside your paper. So we've got 2 hundreds. We've got 5 tens. Then we've got 2 ones. Underneath that, we're going to have 100, 3 tens, and 6 ones. So, make this sum out, and when you've got it done, unpause the video. Okay, so now we're going to add these. So first of all, we're going to start with the ones. We're going to add 6 plus 2, which makes 8. So get the ones and bring them down to the bottom. If you'd like to pause the video to do this, pause it and then press play afterwards. We're going to write in our 8 underneath the 2 plus 6. Next, we're going to add the tens. So bring your tens all the way down to the bottom. 5 plus 3 is 8 tens. And we're going to write our 8 underneath the tens. Finally, we're going to add 2 plus 1, 2 hundreds plus 100. which will make 3 hundreds. So write your number 3 underneath the hundreds. Great job. If you haven't already done so, go back to your piece of paper and write in the 2 plus 6 is 8 ones. 5 tens plus 3 tens is 8 tens, and 2 hundreds plus 100 is 3 hundreds. Great job.